showers tomorrow, 55. Some sunshine on Saturday, and a high of 55 to 60. The best ride in and out of the city. This is Bloomberg 11:3 on Bloomberg Daybreak.
Spider ETFs, why buy a single stock when you can invest in the entire sector?
GWT8412. That's George Warren Thomas 8412. Got very aggressive driving on the Springbrook Parkway in the rain. I mean,